You just unboxed a new iPhone, and now you're staring down years of photos, apps, messages, and saved passwords that need to make the jump. Do it wrong and you lose stuff or spend hours babysitting iCloud. Here's the fastest, safest way to move everything over, plus a couple of backup options if your old phone isn't cooperating. Start by pressing the side button on your new iPhone until that hello screen pops up. Swipe up, pick your language and region, and you're into setup. Now grab your old iPhone and hold it close to the new one. Just make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on for both. You'll see a quick start prompt on the old phone asking to use your Apple account to set up the new one. Tap continue. If nothing shows up, move the phones closer together or restart both of them. Your new iPhone will display a swirling animated pattern. Point your old iPhone's camera at it, just like scanning a QR code, and that confirms the pairing between the two devices. Next, type in your old iPhone's passcode on the new one when it asks. Then go ahead and set up Face ID or Touch ID on the new phone so it's ready to unlock. When it asks how you want to bring over your data, choose Transfer Directly from iPhone. This skips iCloud entirely and moves everything phone to phone. If you want it faster, plug the two iPhones together with a USB-C cable. Now, the waiting game, keep both phones close together and plugged into power until that progress bar says it's done. Depending on how much data you've got, this can take anywhere from 20 minutes to a couple of hours. So don't panic if it's slow. Don't have your old iPhone on hand? No problem. On the old phone, go to Settings, tap your name, then iCloud Backup, and hit Backup Now. On the new iPhone's Apps and Data screen, choose Restore from iCloud Backup and select the most recent one. You can also back up through a computer. On a Mac, connect your old iPhone in Finder, select it, choose to back up all data, check Encrypt Local Backup, and click Backup Now. On Windows, do the same thing using the Apple Devices app or iTunes. Then connect your new iPhone and restore from that encrypted backup. This method is the one that also brings over your health data and saved passwords. And that's it, your new iPhone set up with everything intact, whether you transferred directly, restored from iCloud, or went through a computer backup. If this saved you a headache, give this video a like and subscribe to Online Tech Tips for more guides like it.